Om Sai Ram to all you Baba lovers out there. How's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good and resonating with the readings. So, today I have been unwell for quite some time, so I'm just going straight to the Baba's messages today. So, let's see what Baba has in store. Manifestations. So Baba is saying that he is ready to help you in many forms and in many ways. It is just that you need to lend your hand out and you need to pray to him. Maybe you just need to ask him for the help you need for whichever issue it is that you're facing, and Baba will definitely bring in some sort of a help from some way or the other. And then what happens is you will see a miracle. So basically he is just saying that he is there with you in whatever ways he can, and he is always blessing you. It is just that sometimes we see certain things around us which hits us, which puts us down, which emotionally you know um, shakes us from inside, and then we feel why this is happening. But what Baba is saying is, if it is happening, then it has to happen. So just have that faith and manifest that you will get what you want. And when you put your hand out asking for what you want, then miracle is on the way. And Baba is saying that he will do things, or he will bring miracles in your life today. If you can read the Sai Sat Charitra whenever you're free, in the morning or in the evening. I always say on a Thursday to feed a stray animal, because Baba loves feeding stray dogs. And we all know, even till today, that in a lot of Baba temples during Baba's Aarti, a dog, you will find it coming and standing there hearing the whole Aarti and going back. So that is how Baba is connected with the pets. So why don't you feed a stray dog today, and Baba will definitely be happy, and Baba will bless you with a lot of happiness and abundance. And also, if possible, sit to him, write out a letter to him, tell him what it is that you want to manifest and what help it is that you need from him. I'm sure he will communicate with you through some person, or through some messages in the dream, or through some sort of an intuition, something or other. But you will come to know this is the message that Baba has sent for you. Have a beautiful and a Baba blessed day. Om Sai Ram.